Aloha o Bella Rae Kinohi Souki koʻu inoa. Aia wau ma ke kula o Mālama Honua Waimanalo. I have chosen a medley of mele which celebrates where my dad grew up and where I go to school. It is also important to me because my piko was put in the ocean near Hunana Niho, which is where my pana and papa live. Hanohano Waimānalo was written by Puanani Kama and was taught to me in school. It talks about all the special wahi pana in Waimanalo. The first mele, Mele Honu, was written by Auntie Kaʻanohi Aipa, who is close to our family, and it talks about a day spent at Pāhonu as her family watched her singing and splashing as she chased the halalu to shore. I hope you enjoy. Aloha e honu a o aimana alo he au aui ke kai havana vana aloha e honu a o aimana alo he au he mea ai honu I kalimuka ala kalimuva vai ole ha papa pani e honu I ke kahaka ai uhaya ʻāina ke aloha e honu e kai huilu naha ke ola hou ʻāina ke aloha e honu e kai huilu ka pu'u kau I ka lewa e pali ka ulana I kai au